Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to remove a BitLocker password from your Windows device. First, make sure you're logged into your computer as an administrator. Then type Manage BitLocker in the Windows search box and press Enter to access to BitLocker Drive Encryption panel. Here, you'll see a list of drives and their current encryption status. Find the drive you want to modify. Next to it, click on Remove Password option. It will pops up an error window. Don't worry, here are two solutions. One is to add smart card to unlock the drive. Another solution is turn on Auto Unlock option. Here displays the second solution. Turn on BitLocker Auto Unlock needs to enable BitLocker for system drive first. So if your system drive is not BitLocker encrypted, enable BitLocker for it first. After turn on Auto Unlock, now you can successfully remove BitLocker password. Now your drive is decrypted and the BitLocker password has been removed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials.